Hi folks, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. Today, I'm going to be planting this White Meidland Groundcover Rose. Hi everybody, so today I'm going to be planting this White Meidland Groundcover Rose. I'm going to be planting it on this little hillside or berm, and we've been reserving this spot on top of the berm for a long time, waiting for this guy. We ordered this guy back in December, and it finally came. I'm very excited about it, so let me tell you about this. This groundcover rose will get to be about 2 feet tall and about 3 to 4 feet wide. So it'll fill out this top of this berm up here nicely. It's kind of nice because it blooms profusely. You don't have to do any deadheading on it. This particular rose is hardy in zones 4 through 10, and like most roses, you should plant this someplace that has fast, well-draining soil. Flowers will form clusters of 4 or 5 groupings of flowers, and supposedly it'll be blooming so much that it'll look like a carpet of white. It should look really nice here on top of this hillside. Another nice thing about this rose, it is specifically disease resistant. So, you get a lot of problems with roses, and this one should be able to fight off a lot of it. So let's get it in the ground. Now you should probably do this with gloves so you don't poke yourself with the thorns, which I already did. So we got this from Nature Hills, by the way, and they really do a nice job with the plants they send us. So I just wanted to show you that a lot of the blooms on here are looking fantastic. Very happy to see the condition it was in when we got it. Okay, so there you go. I think it looks really good here. It's going to continue to look better, I think, as the year goes on, as it spreads and blooms. And I'll make sure and take some pictures of it for you guys on Instagram. And speaking of Instagram, if you haven't already, please subscribe there and subscribe here too. We could really use the subscribers and comment and like. And once again, thank you for all your support. And until next time, I'll see you in the garden.